In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily find all your tech purchases on BestBuy.com. This is especially useful when you want to keep track of your shopping history, check warranties, or even just reminisce on some of your favorite tech purchases. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Best Buy official website. Open your web browser and enter bestbuy.com in the search bar. Once you're on the home page, you should see the familiar blue and yellow theme Best Buy is known for. Give the page a moment to load and you'll see various options, deals, and offers displayed prominently on the site. Next, take a look at the top right corner of the page. This is where your journey really begins. You should see an icon or a section with either your name or a profile symbol if you're already logged into your Best Buy account. If not, make sure to log in using your credentials, as this section is crucial to accessing your personal shopping data. Once you're successfully logged in, go ahead and click on your name or the profile icon. This action will lead you to a drop-down menu filled with several account options. From here, you're just a click away from accessing the details of all your purchases. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Purchases. By selecting this, you will be directed to a new page that holds a comprehensive history of your transactions. It's like stepping into a digital archive of all the technology you've acquired through Best Buy over time. Here, each purchase will usually show the date, item description, price, and even the method of payment. If you have multiple purchases and need to locate a specific one, use the filtering options usually available on the page to sort through orders by date or category. And that's it. This simple process is really all it takes to find all your tech purchases on Best Buy's website. It's handy for ensuring your tech investment is just a few clicks away whenever you need to review it, whether you need confirmation of a past purchase for customer service interactions, are checking back on warranties, or just enjoy keeping an organized record. This feature is incredibly beneficial. Keep in mind that having a steady internet connection and remembering your account credentials are essential for this process to be smooth. On that note, I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel a bit more in control of tracking your tech purchases. Thank you for joining me, and happy browsing through your digital marketplace memories.